Euro against US dollar this week has started to rise in value on a Monday, but the price reversed back down, forming this bearish candle here, a bearish breakout around 1.13613 price level and reached the next support level. This bearish breakout has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis that the target will be around the next support level, and we can see the price has done just that following this bearish breakout scenario, and this was a profitable trade inside for the traders. Feel free to check the link below in the description. For now, we can see on a Friday the price is bouncing from this area of support, trying to make a bullish breakout about 1.13613, but there is also pressure here that has triggered the price to return back down. On the weekly time frame, it is a bearish week that has just closed, and we can see how the price has behaved in the previous week, a bearish pin bar around this area of resistance, and currently the price is trying to move further down. What we can see on the monthly time frame, the previous month has closed with a strong bullish candle, which is a great information for the bulls. For the last 3 months, the price is only rising, but currently we can see the price is in between this resistance and support level, so we will see what happens this month. For that, we'll see on the weekly time frame. Currently, what I can see, it is the price is pointing that the price will try to move down further, where the first support level will be around this area here. We can see the price has touched it in the area this, which will be around 1.1200. The daily time frame shows me that we have touched here a support level, which is a very important one, around 1.260. So we'll see, will the price manage to make a bearish breakout. This candle that has been formed yesterday on Friday, trying to make a bullish breakout, this was also a Friday when the traders get out from their trades, so this is also the trigger of their trades closing the profits before the weekend starts, so the price could not manage to continue to rise in value. So we'll see what happens on a Monday. Will the price try to make a bearish breakout, continue to lose its value like the weekly time frame is showing, or the daily time frame will show us a bullish breakout that will suggest further rise in value. Now, the 4-hour time frame, we can see here it is below this area of resistance, which means currently how the price is behaving. It is in between this resistance and the support, and this one is showing me that there is a potential of the bearish movement continuing to lose its value. So we'll see what happens on a Monday, but currently what I can see here, I'm expecting that the price could go further down, but before that happens, I need to see the price making a bearish breakout below 1.12618, which will be a clear sign that the price will try to move further down, continuing this weekly a bearish sentiment that has been formed, and the price has closed below this open price of this candle and also below this candle low. Now, if you would like to receive these bullish and bearish breakouts, like in this example, when this trade has been confirmed and it has been profitable, feel free to check the link below in the description. It will be a link for the premium analysis with the traders. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.